My name is Gautam.
And my name is Anisha.
Today we are going to talk about the gymnast car.
This is a model we have learned recently in our robotics class. This is a gymnast model made from the Brickyou motion kit.
So let's go in depth about the gymnast car parts. So it has 4 tires, 2 wheels, 1 bar on which the gymnast hangs on, frames and levers and locks.
These two counter blocks in this model are responsible for giving force to the entire model, which results in the pendulum-like movement of the gymnast. The pendulum-like movement slowly loses its momentum due to the friction between the wheels and the axle.
So let's start off with the demonstration. Let's not lock any of the wheels and just observe how does the machine move. As you can see, the machine moves back and forth. Let's lock the front wheel and not lock the back wheel. As you can see, the machine only moves forward. Let's lock the back wheel and not lock the front wheel. As you can see, the machine moves backwards.
So this was all about the gymnast model.
I'm Sadhu.
And I'm Vardhini.
We're students from grade 7 studying at Meru International School, Tellapur. Today, we're in front of you to present the SmartKin. This is a piece of technology which will drastically change the future of blind people.
This helps detect objects for blind people as they cannot see, especially when they're traveling alone, as they need some assistance. It uses a sensor that detects objects, and it also uses a buzzer. It alerts so that the user is informed about the danger ahead.
We built this SmartKin using ultrasonic sensor, an Arduino Uno R3 microcontroller, a battery, and a buzzer. We coded this using the Arduino IDE app and transferred it to the Arduino using a USB cable. Now for the demonstration. Here's the battery. I'm going to connect it to the Arduino. It's a beeping sound.
It takes some time to do.
When faced with an object, it makes a long beep which will alert the user. Thank you.
My name is Padmanabh.
And my name is Pavitra.
We are from Meru International School, Tellapur, and here we are going to show this model, the driving base that reacts to lines. In this model, we have used 2 motors, 2 wheels, 1 color sensor and 1 main hub.
The principle behind this model is pretty simple. First, we create a code as to program our model. As you can see, this is the code. Now, after we are done coding, we take the USB and connect it to the main hub. When we connect it to the main hub, the code gets transferred to the main hub. After we let it sit for a while and let the process take place, we remove the USB. After that, we use the power switch to on it and check if the model runs on the code.
So there are 2 buttons on the main hub, the left and right. The left button detects if there is any color and it stops when it detects. Then the right one, it follows with the color